Assalamu alaikum, Rakam family. Hope you guys are good. I want to educate you on something. Guys, you see, this is my Canadian visa for Canada. Then, that's my Brazilian visa. Anyways, I didn't use it. And that's my US visa. I was in US and then people were asking me, Mr. Karim, can you connect us to jobs over there? Can you get us work visas? Let me tell you this, guys. Canada and US, they are not like UAE. UAE, when I say UAE, maybe you understand Dubai. Dubai is a city, UAE is a country. So let me just take Dubai as an example. They're not like Dubai visas. Do you know in Dubai or Saudi, you go for work visas, the agents in Uganda or Ghana or wherever you're from, any African country, they get you those work visas while you're in your home country. And from there, you travel directly on work visas and you start working over there, right? But Canada and US, they are not like that, even European countries. First of all, even getting a US visit visa or a tourist visa as you call it is also very, very difficult. So imagine you are asking for a work visa, which is a permanent type of a visa or residency visa for 2 years, 5 years like that. So please don't ask agents or anybody or even me that Mr. Karim, can you get us work visas? No, there are no work visas for US and all. You have to go on a visit visa, then find out jobs and then get those work visas from there when you're inside that country. And when you're inside there, you'll find different opportunities, inshallah. But first, try to go or apply for a visit visa, not a work visa. All these people who are giving you Canadian work visas or US visas, believe me, they're mostly scammers and they'll scam you. And they have been scammed. Look around you and ask around you. People have scammed you already. So when you ask this question, can you get us jobs over there in US and Canada? Already the agent, if he's a scammer, he will already know that you don't know anything. And he say, come, I'll give you a work visa for those countries. But believe me, there are no work visas for those countries. Yes, Saudi and Dubai, why they have work visas is because these people, Arabs don't work by themselves. So they need people to work for them. But those whites over there, they can work for themselves, believe me. They don't need you to come and work for them. So please be very, very careful and sharp while you are looking for these opportunities in those countries like European countries, US, Canada, or other countries. Besides these Gulf or Arab countries. Yes, over there you can get for jobs. Even for there, I'll tell you, get your own visa, like a freelance or a free zone to Dubai, and then come and look for a job for yourself. Don't even depend on other people, even agents, for looking for jobs for you, because they'll still scam you. If you understand what I'm saying. Somebody wants to apply for visit visas for US and Canada, you can always come to me. I can help you for applying for those visas. I don't give out visas. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not the embassy. I don't grant visas. What I can do is just simply assist you in filling up the DS-160 form for US or Canadian visa application form, visit visas. And then again, it will be the embassy to grant you the visa or not grant you the visa. It will be their decision, not my decision. I cannot tell you, come and I give you the visa. I can't do that. So please understand this. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, much love, peace. And as I always say, God bless Africa. One love.